Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, boys. Welcome back to a brand new video on my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you guys 5 of the latest December winning products, but I'm also gonna give you guys a free winning product research method. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and let's jump straight into it. Okay, before I put you guys on the free method to find the winning products, I'm gonna show you guys the winning products in itself first, and I'm also gonna tell you guys why they have the chance to even hit 6 figures in the month of December. And these products, some of them are tested by me, so they're working out really good. If you guys are interested, make sure you guys watch until the end and let's jump straight into it. First product is actually a makeup brush cleaner. I know 90% of you guys have seen it, but trust me, if you still haven't tested this out, make sure you test it out. It's such an amazing product. This video in itself has over 4.5 million views and it's an amazing product that you guys need to take advantage of. I'm gonna be quick, boys, so the account, everything is literally right over there. You guys can just copy it, search it on your own TikTok and find out the account, check out the website. But I'm gonna jump into the second product, which is this one right here. It is a spy pen, and spy cameras, spy tools usually does really good because a lot of couples and a lot of people who have trust issues, those people buy it and it comes under the criteria of a winning product. Now as you guys can see, this spy camera uses memory card, which he's about to show right now, and there it is. It uses a memory card and it's very easy to use and easy to actually check the videos from. And you guys know where this could be used. It could be used in meetings and all of those places. I do not recommend you guys to test out by yourself, of course, but that is a winning product in itself right there. Now this one right here is something that could blow up like the Gripster. The Gripster actually started blowing up because it showed the veins and it showed the fact that you can actually grow a forearm. So if you guys are interested to jump into something like for the gym boys, this is a very good product. It's called Dino Grips _co, and you guys can actually take advantage of it. Jumping into the third product, which is this one right here, boys. This is one of the products I'm currently testing and it's actually working out really good. It's actually glowing glasses. They're really cheap, but you can actually sell it for a really high price, and especially the fact that winter is coming. Imagine it's snowing or raining and you're wearing one of these. They look cool as hell, boys. So make sure you actually try to take advantage of these glowing glasses. Another winning product that is currently doing super good. People are reviewing it left and right, and it's just a curtain opener. This is something that could turn your normal curtain into an automatic opening curtains, and it's a sick product. It's a sick idea and it works very good almost with any sort of curtain that you guys have. This is just a bonus product that we have right here. It's just a speaker that has this molecule that actually plays around with the song. So this is the product right here, boys. Now let's just jump straight into the product research method that I found these products. So I'm gonna start sharing my screen, boys. I'm gonna jump into TikTok and I'm gonna show you guys how I found all of these winning products on a brand new TikTok. And do not tell this method to anyone else, boys. This method was very hard for me to find, but I found it and I'm here to show it to you guys. And all you do is, once you made a new TikTok account, you search these hashtags and you go inside one of these hashtags and you like, comment and follow all of the creators that post videos about TikTok made me buy it. So if you search TikTok made me buy it, try to follow all of the accounts who's posting all of the stuff about these products. Once you follow these accounts, you will actually find out that your For You page will be filled with the winning products in itself, just like this. As you guys can see, TikTok made me buy it. Plenty of winning products that you guys can actually take advantage of. Look at this product right here, boys. How sick is that? I know the product is old, but that's how exactly it works. Look at this. Simple as that, boys. There's literally plenty of winning products left, right and center that you guys can take advantage of. If you still haven't tried it or hopped on the trend, make sure you do. Make sure you actually get started. And if you guys have any question, leave it in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and for the next part for January products, make sure you leave a like and subscribe.